मैंने सुना था कि अंग्रेजी केवल शहर के लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता नीरज को। कि मैंने सुना था कि अंग्रेजी केवल वेल क्वालिफाइड लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता नीरज को। कि मैंने सुना था कि अंग्रेजी केवल अमीर लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता नीरज को। सो गुड मॉर्निंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हाउ आर यू डूइंग फ्रेंड्स? टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट फ्रेंड्स English language. Friends, yes, I am going to talk about English language. Friends, it is very important thing in today's time. Why I am saying this thing? Friends, I will give you example. Friends, suppose you want to qualify and interview, you need English. Suppose you want to qualify any kind of competitive exam, you need English. Even if you want to start your business and you want expand it at international level, you need English. Friends, even if you want to talk the world, you need English. Friends, without knowing English, you can't talk to the world. Friends, you want to talk about other states people, other countries people, you need English. Friends, if you want to be pilot, if you want to be air hostess, you need English. Friends, without English, you can't survive in this society. So English is the most important language. Friends, today's time it is very important. But first of all, I will tell you the importance of English language. Friends, you know that many languages have put forth their interest to be labeled as a international level, but friends, none of language has become a successful language. There is only one language, that is English has become a global language because friends, it is already called lingua franca. Friends, why is it called lingua franca? Friends, because it is spoken around 86 countries in all over the world. It is spoken, it is not I am saying. Friends, what is lingua franca? Friends, what is meaning of lingua franca? Friends, lingua franca means that if you want to talk other states people, other countries people, you don't know their language, they don't know your language, but both of you need a common language. So friends, a common language is called the lingua franca. So friends, this is very important. And second is this, friends, it is the easier language to learn than any other languages. Yes, it is easier. Why I am saying this? Because friends, not only not Chinese, friends, but it has only 26 letters, which all letters are used to make words, to make sentences. So this is very important. And it is also used, friends, it is also easy for non-native speakers written English. Friends, written English. So friends, this is very easy to learn than any other languages. But friends, some people say that it is the language of international jobs, international business. They believed, friends, because if you want to be air hostess, if you want to be pilot, if you want to do work at international level, you need English. Friends, so this is very important. Without, suppose you are a businessman and you have a meeting at international level. Friends, if you know English, you can attend that meeting confidently. If you know English, friends, if you don't know English, you will face many difficulty in attending that meeting. So friends, please understand it. So English is this, friends, all internet systems, all website systems in English. Digitalization is also in English. Friends, you know English, you can make better use of internet if you know English, because if you want to search on YouTube, if you want to search on Google, if you know English, you can search better search on YouTube. If you know English, if you know English, if you don't know English, you will face many difficulties in searching. So friends, this is very important. Now friends, you know that it is used in every fields of our life, like you can say politics, economics, friends, education. It is English is used in every fields of our life. English is used, friends. You know, the knowledge of English makes travel easier. Why English makes travel easier? Friends, you know that if you know English, if you want to travel, you can travel easier, because you don't need to hire expensive translators, because you know English. If you don't know English, you need to hire expensive translators. So this is very important, you know. Friends, I hope, friends, I want to say that the demand of English language that will never stop in the future, because in the future more and more people will learn English. This is my opinions. But friends, so this is the point of, friends, but other side of argument, but some people will not accept English as a global language, because they want to their language to be global language. Like you can say Chinese people want their language to be global language, you know. Esperanto is another language whose supporter also want their language to be global language. But I hope I already told you that none of language has become a successful language, but only has become a successful language as a global language. So this is very important, friends. Friends, Esperanto's supporters, they believed that it is the invented language, and they say that it is not based on any cultural language. It should be global language. But friends, it is not possible, friends. You know, this is the importance, you know, this is very important, friends. But there are so many people sit here and they can say that, sir, you are promoting other countries language, you are promoting other countries language. Why are you promoting other countries language? You can say, sir, you should promote your Hindi language, you should promote your mother tongue, friends. But you know, our mother tongue, our Hindi language is not very useful in today's time, friends. 30 years back, 40 years back, English did not have importance, but now at this moment, it is 2026, English is most important language, friends. Our mother tongue, our Hindi tongue is not very useful. So this is very important, friends. But I am not saying that you should forget your mother tongue, friends. I am not saying, and we love our mother tongue maximum. The most important language in our life is our mother tongue. So please don't forget, friends. But you know, it is not very useful language in our professional life, friends. In our professional life, we need English. In our personal life, we need English. So this is very important. But friends, don't forget Hindi. But don't speak English at your house. Don't speak English at your house. But friends, outside the house, with your friends, with your colleagues, please speak in English, friends. You know, if you make some mistakes in English, please don't worry. Please don't worry. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Please try to speak in English language, friends. If you don't know good English, please speak wrong English, friends. 4 word English, 1 word Hindi, accepted. Please try to speak in English language. But friends, you know, this is very important, friends. Please speak in English, friends. But there are so many people will say, sir, we can't learn English because we are Hindi medium student. We can't learn English. They can say, friends, friends, there is no student here who did not write an English exam in the 10th class. There is no student here who did not write an English in the 10th class. Friends, did you have English in the 10th class? Did you have English in the first class? You will say, yes sir, we had English in the first class, we had English in the 10th class. We wrote in English exams in the 10th class, friends. So how can you say you are Hindi medium still? How can you say, friends, out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning one language, that is English? How can you say? So this is very important. But friends, English is most important language in today's time. Friends, there are so many people are sitting here, and friends, my sister, my brother, I am asking you one question. Please give me something. Please give me your answer. Friends, I hope, do all of you want to be successful? You will say, yes sir, I want to be successful. I want to become a teacher, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a businessman. You can say like this. But friends, there is not reality, because you all don't want to become like that, because you all want to become a good earner in today's time. This is the reality. You all want to become a good earner. Friends, you also know that, friends, if you know English, you can impact the world, not world is impacting you. If you know English, you can impact the world, friends, while learning English. So this is very important. Friends, do all of you want to be successful? Friends, all of you want to be successful, but the real success will come when you change your mindset. This is very important. The entire world is yours if you know English. If you don't know English, friends, you can't survive in this society. So this is very important. But now, friends, this is the introduction of English language. This is the advantage of English language. Now, friends, I am going to tell you that how will you learn English, friends, without effortless. So friends, how will you learn English? Friends, first of all, please tell me that, do all of you want to be learn English? You will say, yes sir, we all of you want to learn English. Friends, do all of you want to be learn English? All of us maximum want to learn English. But what is the need for learning? Now, friends, motivation. Yes, motivation is very important for learning, friends, because we learn so many things from YouTube channel. We learn English from YouTube channel. We learn vocabulary from YouTube channel. We learn grammar rules from YouTube channel. But we do not have any burning desire. We do not have any burning desire. No, we don't have, friends. So if you do not have burning desire, you can't learn anything, friends. You are only wasting your time. You can't learn anything, because this is the very important, friends. Motivation is the motivation. If you have motivation for 6 months, for 1 month, you can learn English. You can become excellent in English. So this is the power of motivation, friends. So this is very important. But some people can say that, sir, we have motivation. Only few are saying yes. So this is the very important. Now, friends, this is the introduction, friends. Now we move to main topic, friends. How will you learn English? Friends, if you want to learn English, friends, first of all, you have to understand it, that what are the things in English. You have to understand, friends. In a language, friends, there are 4 things: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. There are 4 things, friends. If you have command on these four things, it means you know English very well. You have command on all over the language, because you are able to speak, you are able to write, you are able to read and understand, you are able to listen and understand, you are able to speak, friends. So this is very important, friends. But friends, in this video we will discuss every aspect of language one by one. We will discuss, friends. First of all, we want to talk about reading. Yes, friends, are you reading English in your life? Friends, please tell me something. Please give me your answer. You will say, sir, we want English newspaper, we read in English news, we read English magazines, we read English stories, we read so many things in English. But friends, you read all things only for meaning. Friends, you never try to read all things only for language, because friends, when we read anything first time only for meaning, but meaning is not very important for language, friends. What is important for improvement? Friends, first of all, please see that what is the important is language, and what are the benefits of a language, and how are the sentences used in this language, and how is the language used in this passage. So this is very important, and what we require is language. So friends, this is very important. Friends, some people say that you should read 20 pages and 10 pages in a day, but I am not suggesting you that you should read 20 pages or 10 pages in a day. I am not suggesting you, friends. I am saying only one thing: read only 2 pages or 1 page in a day. But 1 page or 2 page you have to read them, friends, 20 times and 10 times in a day. Friends, you will say, sir, why is repeating so many times? Friends, when we repeat anything again and again, it can becomes a part of our memory. Friends, one times if it becomes a part of our memory, we can use it any time and anywhere, while talking, while conversation, we can use it. So this is very important. Friends, reading is the foundation for your language, for your improvement. Friends, what is the meaning of foundation? Friends, that if you want to build building, you need a foundation. So this is very important. Now friends, these all are the points about reading. Now friends, I am going to talk about next aspect of language. This is writing. Yes, writing is the most important thing in learning a language. Friends, if you are able to write, if you are able to speak, that means you are learning something in English. But you are not able to write, you are not able to speak one word, friends, it means that you are not learning nothing. So this is very important, friends. But I see that many students, they don't want to write at all in English. They don't want to write at all. But friends, suppose if you want to appear state services, central services, friends, on that place, on that exam, you have to write essay on one topic. Friends, if you know how to write in English, friends, you can pass that exams. If you don't know how to write in English, friends, you can't qualify in that exam. So this is very important. But now friends, question arises here that friends, how will you start your writing journey? Question arises here, how will you start your writing journey? Friends, one condition is this, friends. If you want to start your writing journey, friends, please in a day, please select one topic. Like you have select education, friends. In a day, you have to only think only 10 points or 15 points about education in a day, friends. And next day, choose same topic and think about education again but in this time you have to think, friends, 30 lines and 40 lines about education. You can think that what are the benefits of education and what are the advantages of education, and friends, you can think, and you can think that what is the meaning of education, you can think. And friends, if you practice like this 1 month and 1 week, after 1 week or 1 month, you will see that you friends, you has become master of this topic, because you have learned so many things about education, you have write many times about education, because this topic has become part of your memory, you can use it. So this is very important, friends. Second condition is this, friends, if you want to, friends, if you do you friends, do you get angry with your friends? Suppose you do you get you get angry with your friends. Friends, you want to fight with them. Friends, in my humble request, please don't fight them. Please don't fight with them, because friends, fighting will create problems. Please don't fight with them. Friends, please come back your house and enter your study room, and friends, keep it your notebook, keep it your pen, and start writing that why do you hate them. Please think about them, friends. When you are writing why do you hate with them, after writing 20 sentences and 10 sentences, you will feel very happy, you will feel very relaxed. So this is the very important, friends. We are able to think while writing, but we are not able to think while speaking. Our mind get stuck. So this is very important. Now friends, this is the how will you start your writing, how will you write in English. Now friends, we also should talk about listening. Yes, listening is most important thing in learning a journey. Friends, listening is very important. Yes, listening will give you language, listening will give you correctness, listening will give you pronunciation. So listening is very important. You have to listen every day, friends, in your free time. Friends, first time I am not suggesting you that you should listen advanced movies in English. You should read podcast. I am not suggesting you, friends. First time, if you want to start your listening journey, first of all you listen only kids cartoon and stories, because friends, in them English, very simple English is used in them, because you are able to understand that English, friends. But if you watch movies, but you can't learn everything, you can't understand everything. But if you watch cartoons, stories, you can understand very well all things, because basic grammar, basic vocabulary, basic words are used in them. So this is very important, friends. Suppose you go to Ramakrishna Math, you will get some CDs. You can buy one CDs 20 rupees or 40 rupees, friends. That is enough for 6 months, friends. You can listen that CDs only 5 minutes, but you have to listen it 20 times or 10 times. So this is very important. You have to listen it again and again. So practice. So you have to practice. This is very important. Now friends, you have to listen, very important, but one times listening is not enough. You have to listen again and again. This is very important, because it becomes a part of our memory. We can use it anytime and everywhere. So this is very important. Now friends, this is reading, writing, listening, and friends, now we should talk about speaking. Friends, speaking is very important. Yes, friends, if you speak, it means you know English major part of English language if you know English, if you know how to speak English. So this is very important. Now friends, but how will you speak in English? Friends, many peoples they know grammar, many peoples they know structure, many peoples they know vocabulary, but friends, most of the people they never try to speak in English, they never try to speak in English language, friends, because they are waiting for perfectness. But perfectness will never come if you are waiting. Please don't wait, friends, please don't wait, friends, please start your speaking journey, friends, because speaking comes only by speaking. If you start speaking, you can speak English. Speaking comes only by speaking, friends. This is very important. But now friends, how will you practice of speaking? How will you practice, friends? Friends, if you have friends, practice with him. If you do not have friends, don't worry, friends. You have your cell phone, friends. You have your better friend than your real friend, because your real friend will say, I do not want to listen English, I do not want to learn English. He might run away, but your mobile phone does not run away. You always have your cell phone. Please use it and record yourself and listen yourself, friends. If you practice speaking with others, you feel nervous if others are listening, you feel bad if others are listening you. So this is very important. Please practice with yourself. So this is very important. Now friends, have you seen that people playing chess with themselves, then they put white coin, then they go there, then they put black coin, again they come here, friends. You can practice of speaking like this, you can practice. So this is very important. So friends, you have to practice, friends. If you don't know good English, speak wrong English, 4 words English, one word Hindi, accept it. This is very important, friends. Please practice. Friends, speaking comes only by speaking. Friends, you have to speak. Friends, you have to speak, friends. Some people say that he is speaking wrong English. Friends, doesn't matter that. It is not matter you are speaking wrong English or right English. It is matter you have confidence to speak English in front of the people. It is matter, friends. If you practice daily, you can improve your speaking, friends. I can't say that, friends. I can't say anything more, because friends, some people they depend on their teacher, they depend on their gardener. But please don't depend on teacher, don't depend on your friends. Friends, you have to do, friends. There is nobody in the world who can improve your speaking, friends. There is only one person who can improve your speaking, friends. You, yes, you can improve your speaking. There is only one person who can help you. So this is very important, friends. I can't say that please go to the medical shop and buy 10 tablets, one evening, one morning. After 10 days, good English, friends. But there is no such tablet in the market. There is only one tablet in the market. There is only one tablet, friends, in the world, that is work hard, friends. If you work hard for practicing, you can become excellent in English. If you don't practice, you can't learn, friends. You can't learn. So this is very important. Friends, have you read Bhagavad Gita? Friends, have you read? You will say, we sir, yes, we have read Bhagavad Gita, friends. In the Bhagavad Gita, what did Krishna says, friends? Krishna says that whatever you do, you must do it efficiently. If you come to impact, then learn efficiently. Friends, it is going to make your life, it is going to make you successful. So this is very important. Friends, suppose if you practice, if you unless you practice of speaking, you can't learn. Friends, if you practice once a week or once a month, it is no improvement at all. You must do it every day. So this is very important. If you don't practice one day, don't sleep on that day, don't eat on that day, please don't do anything on that day, friends. So this is very important. You have to you have to practice daily, friends. In our tradition we have something called mantra. Friends, what is your mantra? Friends, your mantra is English. Your mantra is English, friends. 100 times you have to speak. Friends, please wake up early in the morning. As soon as, friends, you do puja and you do bathing, please do all things in English. So this is very important. Please do all things in English, friends. Friends, if I say please speak in your mother tongue, you can speak fluently in your mother tongue. If I say speak English, friends, you are not going to speak in English, because you have friends, you have ideas, but you don't have language. So this is very important, friends. And everybody can speak in their mother tongue, because French speak better, friends, because Chinese people speak better Chinese. Japan's people speak better Japanese, but India at least we speak English. That is why we are getting benefits. Today China is capturing the market, friends. China is capturing the market. China will not give you a chance, friends. If you want to make good career, you need English. So this is very important. China did not know English. English teachers from India are teaching Chinese student. So this is the very important. China didn't know English, friends, but China is capturing the market. So this is very important, friends. This is the English. Friends, some people say, sir, but I am asking one thing, that are you Indians or not? Friends, why we are not able to speak? Because, friends, we have no practice, we have no experiencing in English, friends. So this is very important, friends. This is the ability of speaking, friends. Are you Indians or not? You will say, yes sir, we all are Indian. Why are you asking like this question? Friends, you can say that, sir, we can Jangal Mangal. Friends, that is not enough, friends. Please show the quality of being Indian, friends. What is the quality of Indian, friends? Because Indian can learn 4 to 5, 6 languages, friends, but we don't need to learn 5 to 6 languages. We need to learn only one language. This is English. So please, this is very important, friends. Whole world tells that Indians are very intelligent, but that whole world also tells another things, that Indians are very lazy, friends. We do not have any things, but we don't practice anything. So this is very important. You have to practice daily of speaking, you have to practice daily of writing, you have to practice daily of listening, you have to practice of daily writing. So these 4 things, if you do that, if you daily, you can improve your English definitely. So I promise you. So this is very important. Now, friends, I recorded some of my lectures and I uploaded on YouTube, and I get 1 or 2 comments, and they are asking comment, sir, I saw on YouTube, now tell us how to improve, friends. Now tell us how to improve, friends. That desire to improve is the most important, friends. One call came from Brazil. Friends, they say, please tell me how to improve. Friends, I don't even know where Brazil. I have to look at the world map, But phone call came, sir, we saw you on YouTube. How now tell us how to improve. So this is very important, friends. Motivation is very important for learning a journey, friends. So this is very important, friends. God has given a supercomputer, friends, not laptop, not desktop, it is the head top, friends. How much space there is inside, endless GB, friends, not 30 GB, 40 GB, endless GB, friends. There are so many files which you can create for English. You can start, friends, making file for speaking, friends. You can keep one file name speaking, so you can practice. So this is very important. Now friends, these all my thoughts about language, and I have told you that how will you learn English and how will you start your writing journey and how will you start your speaking journey. You have to do all these things if you want to improve your English. I have already do these things. So this is very important. Now friends, you have to listen to me patiently. You are so amazing listener because you give me your precious time for listening me, friends. I am thank of you. So this is very important. Now friends, thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for visiting my channel, friends. We will meet in the next video, friends. Please, thank you, friends.